Hey guys, welcome to Beats by Zai YouTube channel featuring this melanin goddess. Thanks for watching, and before you leave, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye! And we're back with a clean and fresh face. We're going to start this look off by first cleaning up the brows. To do that, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. I like to use this shade of concealer on my melanin girls. I think that it's not too light. It just gives you that perfect highlight that you're looking for, both for your eyebrow highlight as well as under your eye. I know you've noticed that the brows were already drawn on, and that's because it was done off camera, but I use a dark brown eyebrow pencil from Italia. I'm going to ensure that it's listed in the description box, so no worries. I always like to use two different shades of concealers whenever I'm doing my eyebrows, and as you can see, the one that I'm using at the top, it is much darker than the one that I used at the bottom, and the one that I'm using right now at the top, it's from LA Girl as well, and it's in mahogany. So I'm going into my Zulu eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place, and for my transition color I'm using that orange eyeshadow. I know that this eyeshadow palette is a very popular one, and so I know that a lot of you have this palette sitting in your makeup kits, and so the transition color that I'm using from that palette is the orange one, and what I'm doing is just packing that transition color on just below the brow bone and just above the crease. So I'm just going to blend that transition color out until I am completely satisfied. Now I'm taking a red eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold eyeshadow palette, and it's called Man Eater. I'm using that just to define my crease, to intensify the crease as well, and to make that orange pop some more, but I'm being very careful because I don't want to lose any of that transition color that I laid out. I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other eye, so I'm not doing anything that's different. I'm just adding more eyeshadow and ensure that it's all blended out. To get that dark brown smoky look, I have decided to use a dark brown eyeshadow, and that color was taken from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette in Warm Brown Obsession. And again, I'm just using a small defining eyeshadow brush to blend it out and to give me that smoke that I want. What I'm doing now is going back in with that crease color, which is in Man Eater, to blend or to mesh both colors, so that when the eyeshadow is finished, you're just going to be seeing seamless transitions between the orange, the red, and the dark brown. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 375, and that is a foundation that has a matte finish. I just love matte looks, and so I'm always also getting a very good foundation that has a super matte finish to highlight the main points of her face. I'm using two concealers, guys, and the first one, or the main one to me, is a Tarte Creaseless Concealer, which was mixed with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. Now the reason why I did that is because the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, it's in the shade 55G, which is rich golden, and it's very golden. So I wanted to just tone that down a bit, and so that's why I decided to go in with my beautiful bronze to tone down some of that goldenness. To set my highlights, I am using my Laura Mercier medium setting powder along with my black opal deep blue. After letting the setting powder sit for about 2 minutes, I'm just using a small powder brush to dust off the excess powder. To set the rest of the face, I'm using the MAC Compact Powder in NW58. To set her face, I'm using a matte setting spray from Rimmel London. I absolutely love this setting spray because it actually helps with the matte finish. And another good thing about this setting spray is that it can also be used as a primer. So this is the finished look, guys, and I really hope that you are feeling it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I did do the eyeliner, the lashes, and the lip gloss off camera, but I mean, we're just starting up and we have a lot more videos to come, so don't feel like you missed out on anything. But remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I really do hope that you are feeling this look because I'm loving it.